Hi, I'm Ronnie, I'm 41 years old, I'm a father, I'm a graphic designer, I'm a teacher, I'm a citizen of Israel, and I need your help. Lately in the news you can hear about a war coming, a big one. Government are talking about destruction, about self-defense, like this war is not about us. 3 days ago I posted a poster on Facebook. The message was simple: Iranian, we will never bomb your country, we love you. Attached to the poster I wrote a few words. To the Iranian people, to all father, mother, children, brothers and sisters. For there to be a war between us, first we must be afraid one of each other. We must hate. I'm not afraid of you. I don't hate you. I don't even know you. No Iranian ever did me no harm. I never even meet an Iranian, just one in Paris in a museum. Nice dude. I see sometime here on the TV an Iranian. He's talking about war. I sure it does not represent all of the people of Iran. If you see someone on your TV talking about bombing you, be sure it does not represent all of the people of Israel. So within 24 hours, people start sharing the poster on their Facebook. Within 48 hours, the Iranian people start responding to the posters and share back their love to us. Hundreds of messages arriving from Iran telling the Israeli people, we love you back. The day after we were on TV, on newspaper, proving that the message was traveling fast. Okay, now we want to make sure that the message reach everybody, not only in the Facebook community, but everywhere. This is a message by the people to the people. So please donate and help us spread this message. Thank you.